It's the thrill of Winterfest. It's the hottest New Year's party around. Coming to the campus of Liberty University in Lynchburg, Virginia, December 30th and 31st. Get ready for the biggest Winterfest lineup ever with Switchfoot, Mercy Me, Skillet, Barlow Girl, 1000-Foot Crutch, Fiend, Decipher Down, Remedy Drive, KJ52, Fireflight, speakers Matt Pitt and David Nasser, entertainer Mark Lippert, skateboarding pro Tim Byrne, and MC Clayton King. But the New Year's party doesn't end there. Brace yourself for Liberty University's high-octane campus activities like rock climbing, ice skating, swimming, and more. Plus, new this year, skiing, snowboarding, and tubing at the Liberty Mountain Snowflex Center, the first of its kind in the U.S. It's a 2-day, action-packed Christian music festival featuring concerts with 10 top artists, tons of cool activities, a brand new ski slope, speakers, entertainers, and thousands of friends. What better way to ring in 2010? Register during the Super Early Bird Special now through October 16th and save. Call 1-800-965-9324 or log on to libertywinterfest.com. Mark your calendar now for your biggest New Year's ever at Liberty's Winterfest.
I can only imagine. I can only imagine.